According to the Garud Purana, a soul passes through 8.4 million life forms before attaining a human birth. In Sanatana Dharma, every soul carries the karma of its past lives and creates new karma in the present, which flows into the future. This vast life cycle includes existence as beings of water and earth, insects and reptiles, birds that roam the skies, animals that walk the land, subtle unseen forms, and countless states of awareness shaped by karma. Among all yonis, human birth, Manushya Yoni is the rarest and the most precious because it alone gives the conscious opportunity to attain moksha, liberation from the cycle of birth and death. Also, as Sivaratri is approaching, let's remember a slok from our own Shiv Purana. Rudraksham paramam punyam pavitram papa nasanam dharanad smaradadvapi Siva sayudyam apnuyat, which means Rudraksh is supremely sacred, pure, and the destroyer of sins. By wearing it or even remembering it, one attains union with Lord Shiva. In another place, Lord Shiva declares to Parvati, Mamam prana samam Devi Rudraksham Paikrititam, which means, "O Devi, Rudraksh is as dear to me as my own life." Rudraksh stands unique in the Puranic tradition. It is clearly and repeatedly mentioned in Shiva Purana and Skand Purana as a sacred spiritual aid. Unlike gemstones, which are largely discussed in the context of planetary balances and material harmony, Rudraksh is revealed as a means of spiritual elevation, purification of karma, and movement towards moksha. Rudraksh is not an ornament, it's Shiva's gift to humanity, born out of his compassion, meant to anchor the wandering mind, dissolve accumulated karmas, and align the seeker with higher consciousness. To all Sanatani Hindus on a sincere spiritual journey, and to those sincerely waiting for a call from Lord Shiva, this is the call. Rudraksh manifests in many forms known as Mukhi, faces, each carrying a distinct vibration and purpose. Some Mukhis support dharma and spiritual discipline. Some brings clarity of mind and emotional balances. Other aiding karmic cleansing, protection, courage, wisdom, prosperity, or devotion. Certain beads are worn for meditation and renunciation, while others help householders walk a balanced path of responsibility and spirituality. In this way, Rudraksh serves both the ascetic and grihastha, guiding each according to their inner journey. At Everest Beats, Rudraksh is not a commodity. It is a living tradition. The roots go back to farming, the sacred trees themselves, guided by a vision passed down from a revered forefather, that every seeker should have access to Rudraksh, and through it a chance to experience the boundless love of Lord Shiva. This path was further illuminated under the guidance of 108 Brahmachari, Abal Brahmachari Sadananda Guruji, which came to the Arun Valley carrying profound Vedic knowledge, educating and guiding generations with discipline, simplicity, and devotion. To all Sanatani Hindus on a sincere spiritual journey, and to those who feel an inner calling from Lord Shiva, this is that call. What is better way to purify one's karma than by embracing a sacred bead bestowed by Mahadev himself, one with faith, discipline, and devotion this Mahasivaratri. Om Namah Shivaya.